In this video, we'll be creating an event offer. So from an event idea page, we scroll down, click on the Offers tab, and create offer. We'll provide a title, a description, which we'll just reuse the title in this case. Then we'll select a location, and a start date. And then the waitlist expires date, which I'll go into later. We'll specify an event duration of 1 hour and a ticket price of $7. Here we're automatically suggested the minimum number of attendees to our event, so we'll put 4. The maximum number of people we're willing to host is 15, and we'll specify some tags and an image. So back to the waitlist expires date. The waitlist expires date is the date we'll verify that the number of signups equals the number you specify here as the minimum number of attendees. So let's say there are 3 signups by the waitlist expires date. The event would be canceled because it did not meet the requirements set by the event organizer. But let's say by the time the waitlist expires date passes, there are more than 4 signups. Then the event will actually go forward. Then let's click Save. And then we're redirected back to the event idea. If we scroll down and click on Offers, we can see our event's offer to this event idea. When we click on that, we're actually taken to the event offer page. Here it shows the details we've set up for the event, and of course, anyone with a basic account can go ahead and join the waitlist for the event. And of course, on the waitlist expires date, if there are more than 4 minimum attendees, the event would go live. Thanks for watching.